there, fellow time travelers of the heart. It's your pint-sized philosopher and love theorist. And today, we're diving into the ultimate love quandary, the Kobayashi Maru of Love. Picture this. You're in a slow-motion waltz with your soulmate, but suddenly, you're faced with a quantum jump dilemma. What do you do when you love them both, the person you married and the quantum version of their higher self? Before we embark on this heart-tugging adventure, a heartfelt thank you to all you love explorers, our subscribers, and Patreon pals. You guys are the heartbeat of our channel, and your support makes these love sagas even more epic. The Kobayashi Maru of Love, a heartstring tango. So you're cruising through the cosmic dance of love, thinking everything's groovy, and then bam! The universe throws you a curveball. On one side, you've got the soulmate you married, the one with the quirks, the laughter, and the shared memories. On the other side, there's the quantum leap to their higher self, the untapped potential, the cosmic aspirations, and the version of them that could reach for the stars. In a dramatic voice, it's the Kobayashi Maru of Love, and you're the captain of your heartship. Slow motion. Love, the cozy comfort of familiar stars. First up, slow motion love, the cozy, familiar dance with the soulmate you married. It's like sipping hot cocoa by the fireplace, surrounded by the warmth of shared stories and inside jokes. There's comfort in the known, a sense of belonging in the well-worn pages of your love story. In a whimsical tone, it's like a love story in slow motion, every frame etched with the magic of togetherness. On the flip side, there's the quantum jump to their higher self, the love that's a cosmic dance with the stars. It's like waltzing in zero gravity, exploring uncharted galaxies of dreams and aspirations. It's the love that pushes boundaries, defying the laws of the ordinary. Imagine a cosmic explorer voice, quantum love, where you dance among the stars, exploring the infinite possibilities of your love universe. Thank you, love pioneers and heart astronauts. Before we tackle the love dilemma, a gigantic hug to all you love pioneers.